The color of calm. Sometimes, when everything feels loud and busy, I close my eyes and imagine the color of calm. To me, it looks like a soft blue sky without clouds, stretching wide and quiet above everything. It also feels like the warm light of the afternoon sun gently touching my face through the window. The color of calm is not just something we see. It is something we feel in peaceful moments. It helps my heart slow down and my thoughts become softer, like waves gently moving on the sea. Even in a noisy day, I can find this color in my mind, and it helps me feel safe again. I often find calm when I walk near trees and see how the leaves move slowly in the wind. The green around me feels like a quiet hug, and I start to breathe more deeply and slowly. Colors in nature have a special power. They speak without words and help us feel different emotions. Blue, green, and soft yellow always help me feel more relaxed and quiet inside. When I look at flowers, the sky, or water, I feel like the world is telling me to rest for a moment. These colors remind me that I don't need to hurry. I can simply be. The color of calm also appears when I spend time with someone who listens to me kindly. Sometimes, calm is in the way someone smiles or speaks in a soft voice full of love and care. It's not just about light or paint. It's the feeling of being safe, accepted, and not alone. I see the color of calm in quiet moments with my family, like eating together without stress. Even at night, when the world is dark and silent, calm can shine like a soft light inside me. That feeling helps me sleep better and feel strong for the next day. We all need calm in our lives, and sometimes we need to choose it on purpose. When I feel stressed, I try to stop, breathe, and remember the colors that help me feel peace. Even if I'm in a noisy place, I can imagine those soft colors in my mind and feel better. Calm is not far. It's always close when we take time to listen, look, and breathe slowly. The color of calm may be different for each person, but we all know when we feel it inside. And when we find it, we can share it with others just by being kind, gentle, and quiet.